Hey gearheads and luxury lovers, buckle up because today we're taking a beast for a spin, the 2024 BRABUS G800. This ain't your average G-Class. It's been pumped full of German steroids and turned into a monster truck fit for a superhero. Let's talk looks first. The BRABUS G800 is like a walking billboard that screams, "I'm successful and I don't care what you think." From the bulging wide-body kit to the roof spoiler that could double as a wing, it's impossible to ignore. But hey, if you're dropping this kind of cash, you want heads turning, right? Now, the engine. It's a twin-turbo V8 massaging a ridiculous 800 horsepower into your back. 0 to 60. A blink of an eye, and probably a chiropractor's bill. It's loud, it's brash, and it'll pin you to your seat faster than you can say, "Brabus." But be warned, this much power comes with a hefty thirst for premium fuel. Inside, it's pure luxury. Think acres of leather, carbon fiber accents, and enough screens to make Elon Musk jealous. It's comfortable, it's quiet, except when you unleash the beast under the hood, and it feels like $1,000,000 because, well, it probably is. But here's the thing, the BRABUS G800 is not for everyone. It's a niche monster, a statement piece on wheels. It guzzles gas, rides rough, and probably won't fit in your garage. But if you crave attention, power, and a driving experience that's unforgettable and slightly insane, then this G-Wagon might just be your ultimate toy. So, is it worth the crazy price tag? That, my friends, depends on how deep your pockets are and how loud you want to announce your arrival. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility and a hefty gas bill. What do you guys think? Would you rock a BRABUS G800? Let me know in the comments below.